Freelancing has emerged as a beacon of opportunity in today's dynamic job market, attracting individuals who crave both flexibility and financial independence. The allure of being your own boss speaks volumes to those weary of the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Instead of clocking in at a fixed desk, freelancers navigate their own schedules, choosing when and where to work, providing them the freedom to pursue passions alongside professional commitments. At the heart of freelancing lies a diverse array of lucrative opportunities across various domains. From graphic design to software development and digital marketing to writing, professionals can leverage their skills in countless ways. The digital marketplace has exploded with demand for freelancers eager to tackle projects that align with their expertise. Online platforms empower freelancers to showcase their portfolios, connect with potential clients, and secure rewarding gigs that can often pay more than traditional employment. Moreover, freelancing is not merely about earning. It's a transformational journey where individuals can cultivate a robust personal brand and establish a network of clients and collaborators. Each project completed becomes a stepping stone towards building a vibrant portfolio, making it easier for freelancers to attract higher-paying work in the future. Satisfied clients often lead to referrals, creating a continuous cycle of opportunity and growth that can yield substantial financial rewards.